In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create SellerAmp account. We'll walk through the entire process from opening the website to logging into your new dashboard, keeping it simple and clear so you can follow along confidently. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Head to the official SellerAmp SAS pricing page. If you're already on their homepage, use the pricing or start link to get there. Once you're on the pricing page, click the button labeled Start or Pricing to begin. You'll be prompted to choose a plan. Decide whether a monthly or yearly option suits you best. Monthly offers flexibility, while yearly typically provides savings. So choose what aligns with your budget and how long you expect to use the tool. Next, select your plan details. Pick the specific package that matches your needs based on features and usage. Then choose your currency so prices display correctly for your location. Confirm your billing preference to match your earlier choice and take a moment to review the totals before moving forward. You'll now enter your account details. Type in the email address you want to use for your account and add your name as requested. Enter your payment information carefully, making sure your card or payment method supports the currency you selected. Double-check everything before proceeding to avoid typos or decline charges. When you're ready, submit your sign-up by clicking the Sign Up button. The page may take a moment to process. You should see a confirmation prompt indicating that an activation email has been sent. Open your email inbox in a new tab or on your phone. Look for the activation message from SellerAmp. If it's not in your main inbox within a few minutes, check your spam or junk folder and mark it as safe so future messages land correctly. Open the email and click the activation link provided. After clicking the link, you'll be prompted to set a password for your new account. Create a strong password that you'll remember, following any on-screen requirements like minimum length or character types, and save it securely. With your account activated, go to the SellerAmp web app. On the login screen, enter the same email address you used during sign-up, along with the password you just set. Click to sign in. You should now land on your dashboard, ready to explore your plan features and start using SellerAmp. That's it. You've successfully created your SellerAmp account from start to finish.